And happy Wednesday. There's a tornado! There's a tornado! There's a tornado! See the tornado? Destruction of the tornado. Seriously, alright, so fun fact. Our county does the tornado siren test at noon, the first Wednesday of every month. And today happens to be April Fool's Day. Wow, that's loud. And so, yeah, there's a tornado siren on April Fool's Day. And the skies, I don't even think there's any clouds out. This is hilarious, honestly. Wait, let's hear it again. This is loud. Let's see if it comes by again. Whoa, that's loud. Yeah, I'm just sleepy and tired and right then, I guess. Alright, I'm here to announce that from now on, I'll be uploading 1,000 videos per day. It's gonna be tough, but, yeah, 1,000 videos per day. I mean, probably gonna break our internet, but, sometimes you just gotta try, Yeah. April Fools. I'm not really gonna do that. That would take too long. I'm not doing that. Oh, and King's Island opens this month because it's April. Took a couple days, but that baseball that was on the chimney came back down. Yes. It actually did take a couple days. So Nintendo finally put Nintendo 64 games on Wii U, so you didn't have to go to the Wii menu and everything. So of course I just downloaded Super Mario 64. That's the only game they have anyway. So as of now, but yeah. So if you want to, you can get that. I did. Well, I am going to bed, ladies and gentlemen, downstairs again. It's like new tradition. I think tomorrow will probably be the last night I do this downstairs. Yeah, tomorrow, probably last night I do this. So anyway, yeah, hope y'all had a good, what was today? Wednesday. See you tomorrow. Good night. You literally play Pac-Man, kind of on the same paths as the midways of an amusement park. It's weird,